Hey everyone! My name is Miss Talia. I'm an art teacher with Art with a Heart, and today we're going to learn how to make found object sculptures in the style of Louise Nevelson. Fun fact, I had to shoot this recording again because my stomach kept growling really loudly. So the first thing you're going to do is pause on the screen and make sure you have everything on this list for the found objects. That doesn't mean the exact same ones that I have, but just your own objects, recycled objects that you don't mind giving up to this project. Here, I'm just showing you my setup. These are things that I decided to have. You all don't have to have exactly that. But do make sure that you have only one color paint because you're only going to need one for this project. So here she is, the diva herself, Louise Nevelson. She was born in Tsarist Russia in 1899, but she immigrated to the U.S. when she was a kid and spent a lot of her life in New York City. You can see that her work is a lot of found objects, things that people threw away. She made them into art. That's important and cool because it shows that anyone can make art even if they don't have a lot of traditional art supplies. Art can be about resourcefulness and giving old things new life. About her own work, she said this: "When you put together things that other people have thrown out, you're really bringing them to life, a spiritual life that surpasses the life for which they were originally created." All right, here you can see I've got a couple examples. One of the most important things in her work was that she almost exclusively used only one color, and we call that monochromatic color palettes. So here you can see I'm showing the example of just one color, which is all you're going to need. Give me any color you want, but only one. Just a reminder of what you're going to need for the project. All right, and here we go. For the rest of the video, I'm just demonstrating how I approached this project. You might want to approach it a little differently, and that's cool. I super encourage you to watch the rest of the video and see what I did. And I also encourage you to stay away from the tip of the glue gun if you're using a glue gun. Glue guns are super hot, especially the tip, and I burned myself many times so that you guys would not have to. Right now you can see I'm just kind of experimenting with where I want different objects to be, but the choice is yours of how you want yours to look. It doesn't have to look like mine. You can get real fancy with it, real creative. Live your best life. Follow the path that the art is telling you to follow. Oh, there's my stomach again. So I'm gonna go eat something, but you all enjoy the rest of the video and have fun with this project.